G'day guys, Nick from Solve Offroad here. We've had a few questions lately about what makes our shocks a little different to other Fox shocks that are also available in the market. There's a few different things we do. Number one, we've got a custom shock from Fox. We order these in how we want them. There's a minimum quantity to do so, and it comes with a custom valving setup inside that we've set up to suit the ride quality we're looking for and the handling characteristics we're going for. That's the most common one that we've got. We step down from that for when we haven't got the volume down to just an off-the-shelf Fox shock. What we do with those is we get them off the shelf, then we change the valving to suit what we're doing. Sometimes we do bush changes, valving, little bits and pieces, gas pressures, depending on what we're doing and what shock it is. Then we move into the more complex one with the front strut. Same story, off-the-shelf Fox shock, but doesn't suit the Australian conditions. So we've got to change it. First things are heavy-duty springs to handle the bars, the winches and stuff that a lot of guys out there want to run. To do so, we do some valving changes internally, where we're changing these valves out to sort of suit the control characteristics we're looking for in the ride quality. And as you can see here, we've got a couple of assembled, ready-to-go shocks. This one here is actually just a straight out of the box. That's how they come from Fox. You'll see the silver washer on the top. It's a little bit thinner than our version. We'll strip that down and make it what we want. We'll turn it into something along these lines where it's got the heavy-duty coil, it's got the preload setting where we've wanted it to. They'll obviously vary depending on the build of the vehicle and what bar, what winch, everything like that you're running. One of the key ones I like to point out is that top washer. We upgrade every single one of them on every single front strut. Bush life doubles, and the ability for that shock to work and get punishment is much greater. So that's a really big change that we've made. So here we are, finished product, valve shocks in the car, ready to go. We're super proud of our setup. It's been 20 years of mechanical experience, 15 years of competition experience, 8 years of racing some of the hardest races in the world, I don't mind saying. Between me and Ben, we've got an awesome background. So if you're looking for suspension, come to the guys at Solve Offroad, we'll get you sorted.